hello viewers, welcome back to class. I'm super excited, guys, to have you back to class. Now, listen carefully. If you are visiting this page for the very first time, do consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and ensure that you turn on the post notification bell for more exciting videos. Yes, more exciting videos. And guys, don't forget our policy here. Do not skip any part of this video. Ensure that you avoid every unnecessary distraction, and also you stand a chance to replay this video over and over again if after watching it for the first time you do not understand the mysteries and the rules that were taught in this video. So you have the opportunity to replay the video over and over again until you understand what we are talking about here. Now, also don't forget that this is a continuation class. We have been looking at conversion of units of measurement, and we said that there is always a need to convert the unit of measurement when they are not given appropriately. That we need to make it right. Are we there? And based on the fact that we know that different fundamental quantities have different units of measurement, but there are some certain units of measurement among those units that are standards, then we decided to look at how to convert from other inappropriate units as far as physics is concerned to the appropriate unit. Now on the board, we have conversion, which is B, conversion of length units or the units of length. Now we know that length is a fundamental physical quantity that can be measured in meter, centimeter, kilometer, decimeter, or even millimeter. Alright, we may not be able to look at everything, but understand that among all of these units of length that are here, and understand that this part of these units are actually the metrics. Of course, you know that the measurement of length is in two forms. One is the metrics and the other is the imperial units. Alright, we have the metrics units and the imperial units. These are all metrics units. For imperial, that is where you have the foot, where you have inch, where you have yard, and so on. Where you have yard, etc. Alright? These are imperial units. But now we are focusing on metric units. So in another video, we will look at how to convert the relationship between imperial unit and what metric unit. We are going to look at that in another video. But in this video now, let's quickly focus on the metric unit. Are we there? Now, on this note, we know that the fundamental unit of length is in meter. So as far as physics is concerned, every problem you will solve that concern length, the value of length must be in meter. So what happens if you are given a centimeter? That means you need to convert to meter. What happens if you are given in millimeter? That means you need to convert to meter. And what also happens when you are given in kilometer? That means you need to convert to meter, except it is stated otherwise by the examiner. Are we there? Now let's get to work. On the board, question number 4, which is a continuation of conversion of units. Now we saw question 1 to 3 under conversion of mass of units. So if you have not watched that video, please you can check the video or the playlist session for conversion where you can find the conversion of units of mass. Are we there? So we are continuing from question number 4. And we are asked to convert 800 millimeter and 4,500 millimeter to meter. How do I convert from millimeter to meter? There is a rule. So listen carefully, open your ear wide. To convert from millimeter to meter, you simply divide the given value by 1,000. Do you understand that? To convert from millimeter mm to meter m, you divide the given value by 1,000. I hope you are putting that. Now let's work. Now, if this is solution, and we therefore have this as 4i, which is 800 mm, and we are asked to convert this to meter. So to convert 800 mm, the value, which is the magnitude, the size, or the degree, is 800 all over 1,000. Now in meter, as simple as this. Now when I divide 800 by 1,000, automatically we have this as 0.8 meters. It's as simple as this. These conversions are actually simple, but you are finding it difficult because you don't know the rules. You don't even know what to do. Now you know what to do. Don't forget it again. Alright? Study it until it becomes part of you. Alright? Watch this video over and over again until it becomes part of you. That you will never forget it again. Now let's go. We have 4 II, and that is 4,500 mm. And we are asked to convert this to meter. Is that correct? Yes. So what do? We are going to have 4,500 divided by 1,000. Since we are converting millimeters to meter. Now when we divide this, automatically this would have given us 4.5 meters. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. Let's see the decimal point once. This is it. It's as simple as this. So don't forget, anytime you are given the unit of length, height, or distance in millimeters, you must convert to meter. And how do you convert to meter? You simply divide the given value by 1,000. Hope this is gotten. Now, let's look at the next page of our board. Now, this happens to be question number 5, and we are asked to convert 750 cm and 36 cm to meters. What we do is to put down our solution. Now we have 5 I, which we have the value to be 750 cm, and we are converting this to meter. Guys, what must I do to convert length in centimeter to meter? Very simple. We said 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. To convert from centimeter to meter, all you simply do is to divide the given value by 100. Yes, 100. 100. To convert from cm to m, meter, all you just need to do, divide the given value by 100. If this is taken, then we are done with this problem here. All we just need to have now is that this will have given us 750 over 100. Now in meter, and the answer to this becomes 7.5 meters. I finish as this. As simple as this. It's as simple as this. Now let's quickly look at 5II. Also, we are asked to convert 36 cm to meter, and that would have also given us 36 over 100. Now in meter, and the answer would have become 120.36 meters. Guys, is this not amazing? It is. It is. Very simple. Rules, principles. That's it. So, you used to have issue with this before. Now, you have issue with it no more. No wonder the Bible says the Egyptians you see today, you shall see them no more. Those challenges you used to see, an encounter with us has taken off that load from off your shoulder. Now, let's look at question number 6. Now, in question number 6, guys, we are asked to convert 0.65 kilometer and 2.55 kilometers or to meters. And understand that kilometer is higher than meter, and to convert from higher unit to smaller unit, you multiply. Is that correct? So anytime you are converting from kilometer to meter, you simply multiply the given value by 1,000. Because K means 1,000, which is 10 raised to the power 3. That's kilo. So to convert from kilometer to meter, multiply the given value by 1,000. If this is understood, I leave the question for you to solve. Alright, don't be afraid. Let's solve it together, right? Oh God. Okay, now we have 6I, which we have 0.65 kilometer. And we are converting this to meter, right? And we have already gotten the rule, so all we just need to do is to have 0.65 multiplied by 1,000 now in meters. Now, when I multiply 0.65 by 1,000, we are going to have 650. meter. It's as simple as this. So 650 meters is equivalent to 0.65 kilometers. So to convert from kilometers to meters, multiply the given value by 1000. Now, let's look at the last case. Then we have 6II. Okay? Now we are asked to convert 2.55 kilometer also to meter. Of course, we are converting from a higher unit to a smaller unit. And anytime you convert from a higher unit to a smaller unit, you simply multiply. Now, we have kilometer. And kilo means 1000. So to convert from kilometer to meter, multiply the given value by 1000. Therefore, this will have given us 2.55 multiplied by 1000. Or 10 raised to the power 3 either. Then this will have given us 2550 meters. It's as simple as this. Now we will quickly look at question number 7, where we will now convert units in meter to all of these other units that we have here very shortly. Question number 7 is here. And now we are asked to convert 30 meters and 12.5 meters to millimeter, centimeter, and kilometer. Of course, we have already converted from all of these units here to meter. Now we want to convert from meter to all these other units. Very simple. If you multiply before, you will divide. And if you divided before, you will multiply. Has that answered the question? Yes. If you multiply before, then we divide now. Then if you divided before, then you multiply now. That's all. Then I leave this question for you to solve, but let's solve it together. Alright? Now, let me hold you by the hand and walk you through the process of converting from meters to other units of measurements of length. Now we have this as solution, and we call this A, 7A, which is 30 meters. And we have to convert this to millimeter, centimeter, and kilometer. Okay? Now, let's call this I, 30 meter. If we are to convert 30 meters to millimeter, what must I do? Guys, how do I convert 30 meters to millimeters? To convert from millimeter to meter, we divided by 1000. Now, to convert from meter to millimeter, we simply multiply by 1000. It's as simple as that. So, guys, to convert from meter to millimeter, all you simply do is to multiply the given value by 1000, which is equivalent to what? 10 raised to the power of 3. Okay? So, this is equivalent to what? 30 times 1000. 10 raised to the power of 3. Now, in millimeter. So, you can leave your answer in standard form. Then, if I multiply this out, this will have given us 30,000 millimeters. That means 30 meters is equivalent to what? 30,000 millimeters. It's as simple as it. Conversion is very, very important if you must excel in science. Very, very important. So don't play with this class. Okay? Now, we have Roman figure 2, where we are still converting 30 meters to centimeter. And understand that when we're given the standards, we mentioned that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 cm. And understand also, when we were converting from centimeter to meter, we were dividing the given values by 100. Now, to convert from meter to centimeter, what do? You will multiply. Reverse is always the case. Are we there? Now, to convert from meter to centimeter, all you simply do is to multiply the given value by 100. Then, this will have given us 30 times 100. Now in centimeter. And when we multiply this out, this will have given us 3000 centimeter. That means 3000 centimeter is equivalent to what? 30 meters. Simple as this. Then also, under this same 30 meters, we are quickly going to convert 30 meters to kilometer. And understand that when we were converting from kilometer in question 6, when we were converting from kilometer to what? Meter, what we did was to multiply the given value by 1000. Now that we are converting from meter to kilometer, what do? We will divide the given value by 1000. So guys, to convert from meter to kilometer, divide the given value by 1000. Now, if 30 is the given value, I will divide 30 by 1000. And 30 divided by 1000 would have given us 0.03 kilometers. This is the answer. So to convert from meter to kilometer, divide the given value by 1000. Is this understood? It's as simple as that. Now, the big part of it, we are asked to equally convert 12.5 meters to millimeter, centimeter, and kilometers. The same thing we did here is what we are going to do here. No big deal. Alright? So if I leave this for you to do, I'm sure that you can do this confidently without making mistakes. But let's do it together while we apply with the speed of light. Now, we have 1 here, 12.5 meter. To convert from meter to millimeter, you multiply by 1000. And the answer to this will have given us this guy. So 12.5 meters is equivalent to what? 12,500 millimeters. Then we have to convert the same value, 12.5 meters, to centimeter. Now, to convert from meter to centimeters, you also multiply the given value by 100. And this will have given us 12.5 multiplied by 100, now in centimeters. And 12.5 multiplied by 100, we are going to have 1250 cm. That is to say, 12.5 meters is equivalent to 1250 cm. Then finally, we are still asked to convert this same value in meters to kilometer. And understand that to convert from meters to kilometer, you also divide the given value by 1000. Then this gives us 12.5 over 1000. And this will have given us 0.0125 kilometers. Guys, this is all about this. So, if you still have not understand this aspect of this conversion, guys, this is a video format. You can play the video over and over and over and over again till you get the full understanding of what this aspect of conversion is all about. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, do consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and ensure that you turn on the post notification bell for more exciting videos when being uploaded. Guys, don't forget to like this current video. You just want to share this video and ensure that you inform your friends, your well-wishers, even your enemies about this platform that is giving values free. See you guys in the next video. In the next video, we are going to be looking at conversion